Hey guys, this is Malinki. Welcome back to my channel, Voice of Malinki. Today we will talk about the different structure in Cnidaria. And if you are new in my channel, please subscribe my channel. And if you like my video, please do like, comment and share my video. So, cnidocyte or cnidoblast or nematocyst is a special defensive cell that is found in Cnidaria. So this is the cell. You can see this is the cell. This is cnidoblast cell. You can say it cnidocyte or nematocyst. Because of the presence of these cnidoblasts, the phylum is known as Cnidaria. Okay. Now, cnidoblast is a stinging cell that helps them protect themselves from predators. So, cnidoblasts are basically the defensive cells and they secrete hypnotizing which paralyzes or even kills the prey. So, this is their weapon to protect themselves. Cnidoblasts are found on the body's surface as well as tentacles. Each cnidoblast contains a fluid-filled membranous capsule called cnida or nematocyst. So you can see this is the capsule. This is present in between these cells and this is not empty. It contains fluid and it is membranous. You can see that membranes are there and this is called nematocyst or cnida. Okay. So now you know what is nematocyst or cnida. Cnidoblast is an oval or rounded cell with a basal nucleus on one side. So this cell has oval shape or rounded shape. You can see the shape of the cell and a nucleus is present. See, here is the nucleus that is present in the base of the cell. Okay. The nematocyst consists of a bulb which is filled with poisonous fluid or hypnotoxin. So, I will show you the bulb. This is the bulb, this is the bulb. Okay. So, this is the bulb. And this bulb is not empty. It is filled with the fluid and that is poisonous and that is the hypnotoxin. Now, hypnotoxin is a mixture of proteins and phenols. One end of the bulb is extended as a narrow, long, hollow tube which is coiled around the capsule. This tube is called as thread tube. So, you can see that the end of this bulb will go like this. This is the coiled part and this is very long. This is the tube, this is hollow tube and it is coiled around this capsule and this tube is known as thread tube. So thread tube basically comes from the bulb end, right? Now the base of the thread tube is swollen to form a shaft. So this tube will form a swollen part. So this is the swollen part, you can see this is the swollen part and this is called the shaft. This is the swollen part, this is called shaft and this is nothing but the part of thread tube. Okay, so this is the other end of thread tube that will be swollen like that and it is called shaft. Okay, so one thing you can understand from here, this is the bulb and the end of bulb forms the large tube that is called thread tube and the base of the thread tube is swollen and that is called shaft. Okay. Now inside the shaft there are three large spines called as barbs. So I will show you. So this is the barb. This is the barb. In this way, three barbs are present. These are actually nothing but spines which are present in the shaft. In this picture, you can see just two barbs, but three are there. And few minute spines are there. Those are called barbules. So, this is the barbules. These are all of these are barbules. So, barbules are basically small spines. Barbs are large spines and barbules are small spines. The shaft is externally covered by a lid-like structure called as operculum. So, here is the operculum structure. This is just the lid of the shaft. Okay. Now, situated at the apical surface of the cnidoblast and projecting above the surface is a pointed spike-like structure called cnidocil. The cnidocil is composed of a central core surrounded by large rods. So, what is cnidocil? Here is the cnidocil you can see. This is the pin-like structure, pointed structure, and it is present at the apex of the cell, apical surface of the cell. Okay, and this is composed of a central core that is surrounded by large rods. And the cytoplasm of the cnidoblast contains contractile muscle fibers. So this is the cytoplasmic part, and the cytoplasm contains contractile muscles. Okay, this is the cytoplasm you can see, and these are the muscle fibers, contractile muscle fibers. Okay. And the cell organelles are present in the cytoplasm, and they include ribosomes, Golgi bodies, endoplasmic reticulum, mitochondria, etc. So since this is the cell only, this is the cell. So all the cellular organelles along with the nucleus will be present. That's why ribosomes, Golgi bodies, ER, mitochondria all are present there. So this is all about the structure of cnidocyte or cnidoblast or nematocyst. Now, in our next lecture, I'll talk about the mechanism of defense. So, how does it work? Okay, so that is all about today's lecture. Thank you for watching my video.